Welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Great Tutor, and what I do here, I solve technical drawing problems and I also provide important information that you need for you to have a better performance in your technical drawing examinations. If you're a technical drawing student, I want to ask you to subscribe to this YouTube channel and put on notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you'll be notified, and help me to share my videos with your friends who are also technical drawing students. And you need to practice this subject. It's very, very important that you practice so that whenever you come across any question, you'll be able to solve such a question. All right. What I want to do here now, I want to solve these questions or these diagrams. I want to convert them to orthographic views as they are given in isometric views as a result of the request that was made that I should help to solve these questions on page 54 of Pickup and Packer Engineering Drawing 1, written by Pickup and Packer. And as we have here, let me read the instruction that we have here so that we know what we have to do. I have solved those ones on page 52 of this same textbook, which has to do with the drawing of the orthographic views of those objects in first angle projection. But here we have that we have to draw full size in third angle projection the following views of the details shown: A, elevation in direction of ROT, B, end view in direction of ROS, and C, plan view projected from view A. So we are starting with this diagram as we have here. This is ROT, so it means that the elevation in this direction, and then the end view in this direction, and then the plan when we are looking at it downward like this. What you see on this surface will give us the plan. Now since we are drawing a third angle projection, I'm going to start with the plan, then I will draw the front elevation, then I will draw the end elevation. So let's look at what we are going to do here. And I believe that you can see the dimensions. Distance from here to here is 70 millimeters, from here to here is 32, from here to here is 25, from here to here is 18, and from here to here is 19, from here to here is 25, from here to here is 6 millimeters, from here to here is 10 millimeters here, and then we have that from here to here is 18, from here to here is 16, and from here to here is 44, and then from here to here is 25 millimeters. The thickness from here to here is 12 millimeters. We are going to make use of all these dimensions for us to produce the orthographic views of this object in third angle projection. Let's go. Now the first thing that you need to do is to draw a horizontal line here. So draw a horizontal line from here, and then you draw a vertical line. So draw a vertical line like this. Okay, so we are going to put the plan here. We are going to put the plan here. So what we need to do now is to take a measurement of 70 millimeters. So take a measurement of 70 millimeters. So this is 70 millimeters. Then I will take 32 at the same time. So 32 millimeters here at the same time. So I believe you know where that 32 is. Check your textbook for that. So draw a vertical line here, and here also I will draw a vertical line. Alright, so then on this point I will take 44 millimeters. 44 millimeters, so this is 44 millimeters. Okay, then I will divide 44 by 2. That is 22 millimeters. We need that center. We need that center. So here I will draw a center line. So draw a center line like this. So we need that center. And then at this point where we have this 44, I will draw a horizontal line. Okay, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that I will, so from this center, so that 25 by 2 will give us 12.5. So I will take a measurement of 12.5 here. So this is 12.5 down. then 12.5 up, so making it 25. Then also I will 19 by 2, so 19 by 2 will give us 9.5. So I will take a measurement of 9.5, so 9.5 down and 9.5, so up here, so this is 19 now. All right, so at this point I will draw a horizontal line from this point like this, and from here I will draw a horizontal line. Don't forget that we are working on the plan first, so and I will project to this side, and I will also project to this side. All right, so with what I've done here, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that, so let me bring the diagram so that we know the next thing that we want to do now. So let us get this thickness from here to here is 6 millimeters, so 6 millimeters, and total distance from here to here is 18 millimeters. So from here to here is 6 millimeters. Okay, so let's take that. So I'll first take 18 millimeters. So 18 millimeters from this end here. So I'll take 18 millimeters on this line. So this is 18. Then I will take 6 from here. So this is 6 millimeters. Okay, so here I will draw a vertical line, so from here up, then I will take, so that 18 millimeters, I will draw this like this. Okay, so with what I've done here, so I can bring out the shape at this end now. The shape at this end, I can bring it out now. The shape around here, I can bring it out. I want us to bring it out so that we will not be confused. So let's bring out that shape at that end. So now, so here we have, so this is where we have that 25, and then, so I will draw this line, so make this line thick, and this line also will be a thick line down to this point, and then here this will be a thick line, and from here to here it will be a thick line, and all right, this line that I took here was not up to 18 millimeters, so it wasn't up to 18 millimeters. I didn't take that measurement accurate, so I observe it. So okay, so I will still need to rub, so I rubbed it off. Okay, so now, so I need to rub this line. I will rub it off so that it will not. Okay, so I need to rub it off, so I've rubbed it off. Okay, so now I can go on and bring out the shape that we have there. So this is, so I need to make this line, I'll make this line a thick line like this. Okay, so this is a thick line, and then so from here to here it will be a thick line, from here to here will be a thick line like this. So and then, so around here where we have that 19, so we have a rectangle like this. So I believe you know the rectangle I'm talking about, so I will show you when I'm done with this. So we have a rectangle like this. All right, so for that part, all right, so for this part here like this is what we have. Okay, so let's move on. let's move on. So the next thing I'm going to do is that I need to take, okay, so I already have this 25. So this 25 that we have here, this 25 here, so we also have this to be 25. So what I need to do now is that this 32 that start from here to this point, I will join this point together with this point. What I mean is that, so this point, this is where we have 32, so we join it together with this point like this. So then I will join this point together with this point. So that is what we have as 32 there. So I will draw from here. So from here to here like this. Then I will also join. So I'll join this with this like this. Okay, so now, so next thing I'm going to do is that this is 16 millimeters. Distance from here to here is 16 millimeters. 16 by 2 will give us 8. So I just go to the center here. To the center here. So I'll come here like this. So take a measurement of 8 millimeters down, then 8 millimeters up. This is 16. Okay, so let me draw this horizontal line. So I'll draw from here to here, and also so from here to here. So I'll draw. Okay, so then the distance from here to here, distance from here to here is 18 millimeters. From here to here is 18 millimeters. So I'll just take 18 here. So coming on this line, I take a measurement of 18 millimeters. This is 18 millimeters. So I will draw a vertical line from here. So from here down. So vertical line. So from here down. Okay. So now let me bring out the shape that we have there. So this is the shape. Okay. All right. So I make this thick, and I make this thick. So then I need to make this line. I need to make it a thick line from here to here, and also from here to here. I make it a thick line. So this is the plan. So this is how the plan will look. So it's as simple as I've shown it here. Now let's draw the front elevation. So we just move down a little bit. So we come down a little bit from the plan, and we draw a horizontal line from here to this side. Okay. Now for the front elevation, this is the shape that we want to produce. So from here to here is 25 millimeters. From here down here is 10 millimeters from here to here. Okay, sorry. Okay. This is 25 from here to here. From here to this point is 10 millimeters. Okay, and then from here to here is 12 millimeters. So I will first take that 25 millimeters. So from this point, I will take 25 millimeters down. So this is 25. I will draw a horizontal line like this. Okay, and then so I will take a measurement from here. Take a measurement of 10 millimeters down. 10 millimeters down. Okay, so 10 millimeters down. So here, so I will draw a horizontal line. Horizontal line. So from here, like this. Okay, so having done that, so the next thing that I'm going to do is that, okay, so if I take, this is, okay, from here to here is 12. From here to here is 12. See, so this 12 goes like this. Okay. So from here to here is 25. So from here to here is 12 millimeters. So 25 minus 12 will give us what? Will give us 13. That is 13. So 10 from 13, that means from year to year is 3 millimeters. So I need to take that measurement of 3 millimeters from this point. I will take 3 millimeters down. So 3 millimeters down. So this is 3 millimeters. So I will draw a horizontal line. So I draw a horizontal line like this. Now let's bring out the shape of the front elevation. The shape of the front elevation, which is this shape. And then this line, there is a cut here that goes down, so it will be hidden in the front elevation. And also there's a cut here that will be hidden from the front elevation. There is a cut here, there's a line here which will be hidden from the front elevation. So we have to put those things there, which are already here. But the first thing I'm going to do is that I will draw a vertical line. So from here to here, then I will make this a thick line from here to here, a thick line. And then so here, so from here to here, I will make this a thick line. And then I will draw this from here to here like this. Then I will draw this, make this a thick line from here to here, and then this will be a thick line. Now the next thing we are going to do is to put the hidden part. So at this point in the front elevation, this cut is hidden in the front elevation. So I just, on this line, I will make this with short dashes line like this. Okay, and then this line is hidden in the front elevation. So to show it here, this is the line. So okay, sorry, the upper one is the line, that 10 millimeters. So I will show it hidden here with short dashes line to this point. And then this point is also hidden in the front elevation. So here I will draw this like this here, and then there's a line here. You can see that line in the front elevation. This is the line. So I need to make this line at this point. From here I need to make this a thick line from here to here. So this is the front elevation that we're asked to draw. So now let's move on to the end elevation, which is going to be positioned here based on the angle that we're asked to use, which is the third angle projection. So we are going to draw it here. So let's look at how it's going to be done. So what we are going to do now is that, so we are going to put our 45 degree set square at this point on the front elevation. So we put it like this at this point, like this. So we put it here, and we draw. So this is 45 degree set square. So we draw an inclined line that will go like this. All right. So having done this, so we are going to project vertical line down here at each point where this inclined line meets the horizontal line that will produce out of the plan. So what I mean is this. So this point, so we draw a line from here down, and then so this point, so we draw a line, so from here down. So this point, we draw a line from here down. So this point, this is a center line. So we draw this. Okay. So this point, we draw a line down here. At this point, we draw a line, draw a vertical line. So at this point, we draw a vertical line. And at this point, we draw a vertical line. So all these lines are what we are going to use to bring out the end elevation in direction of ROS as we are told. So what we are going to draw is that this shape here, this rectangle, this rectangle, this rectangle here, and this part that we have here, we are going to produce them. Okay, so we are going to produce them. Okay, so that's what we are going to bring out. So let us start with what we have down here. Let's start with what we have down here with this to bring out the shape. So let's start. Now So I'm going to start like this. So for this, okay, I need to draw. You can see now that I didn't produce this one, so I need to produce from here to here. Okay, now, so starting with what we have here. So this point, we are going to have a line at this point. So this is the line. So we are going to have this line to be a thick line like this. So this line will be a thick line. So everything that we need is already in what we have produced. So we have a line here. So the line that I'm talking about, is this line. We see this line. So and then there's also a line here, we see it. And that line, if I go like this, so the line is here. So I've been bringing it out one by one, so for you to understand it. Okay, so the next one that I'm going to do here is that I want to get this point here, this line, so which is also of the same distance as this one. So this point, if I follow this line like this, I'll come down here like this, I will have this. Okay, so we need to take it easy. Then this line here, if I follow this line, so coming down like this, so this is the line, so I will have it here like this. Okay, so we also have the same thing. So we have the same thing on this side. So if I follow this line like this, coming down here, so I have the line here, so I make it a thick line. And then this one, if I follow it like this, so coming down like this, so I have this point. So this is the line. So there is a rectangle here. So this rectangle here. So we have this rectangle between this point and this point, and the rectangle is here. So we have it like this. So then, so this line here, this line here will be merged together, and they will form a single line. And the line is here. This is it. So I join this together like this. Then we also have it up, so which is this line here. So I join this together like this. Okay, so we have that part drawn. Then we go to the upper part. So go to the upper part. So we are going to see this line here. We are going to see this line. So where is this line located? It's at this point, which it has been drawn already. So it is here. So it has been drawn already. So then let us bring out this shape here. This shape, let's bring it out. So where is it found? So I need to follow this line. This is it. I need to follow it like this. So coming like this. Then, so I get to this point. So I will have it. Okay. So if I follow it here, this is the point here. If I follow it here, so I have the starting point here. Okay, so this is that starting point. Then if I come here, if I follow this line like this, so coming like this and coming down like this, so this is the other point, and its height is from here to here. So its height, if I follow this line, so I have it here from here, and also it ends here. So I can bring it out like this. So this is it. So I draw this line. So I make this line a thick line. Okay, then I make this a thick line. Then I'll make this a thick line from here to here. Okay, so so what about this line here and this line? So where are they? This one and this one. So they're already there. So this line, I just need to come here on this line like this and coming down here. So I have it from here to here. So this is it. So I just make this line. I made this line a thick line from here to here, and this also will be a thick line from here to here. All right. So and then so the top part. So this is it from here to here, and then so I made this a thick line from here to here. All right. So then, so what else do we have here? What else do we have here? This point, it will be hidden. This cut here, it will be hidden around here. We can't see it. It will be hidden from us. So we have to show it. So where is it found here? I need to follow. For this one, I need to follow it like this. So coming down like this, so this is it. So from here down, so and then so it's supposed to go down, but this has taken it over. Okay, and then so for this one I'll come like this, so coming down here like this, so I have it here, so this is it. All right, so we have drawn that. All right, so we are done with this work. This is the plan, this is the front elevation, and this is the end view, as we are instructed to draw the orthographic views of the object in third angle projection. All you need to do is to practice. When you practice, you master it, and follow it the way I did it, and definitely I'm sure you will get it. Thank you for watching, and thank you for listening. Don't forget to practice. God bless you.